breaking updates coming in from UP's Bareilly. The city magistrate Alankar Agnihotri has resigned in protest over the alleged misbehavior with Shankaracharya and against the UGC's controversial regulations. In a striking move, the officer wrote his resignation on his official designation plate and shared a photograph of himself holding a poster announcing this decision. The image has since gone viral on social media. It has drawn wide attention to the protest and the issues that he has raised as well, because on social media the UGC rules are already being debated.
संतों का जो अपमान भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार कर रही है और जिस तरीके के कानून लोगों पर थोपे जा रहे हैं, उससे आम जनमानस में भी आक्रोश है, अधिकारी वर्ग में भी आक्रोश है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने हितों को साधने के लिए किसी भी तरीके के कानून थोपना चाहती है। शंकराचार्य की जो चोटी, जो शिखा, उसको पकड़ पकड़ कर उनके संतों को, उनके शिष्यों को मारा गया और जो व्यवस्था बनाने की जिनको काम था, वो लोग शंकराचार्य के अस्तित्व पर सवाल खड़ा कर रहे हैं। तो ये जनमानस देख रहा है, समाज से बड़ा कोई नहीं होता। भाजपा का जो सरकार है, जो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी हैं, उनका अहंकार सरकार से बड़ा हो गया है, समाज से बड़ा हो गया है। जनता उनको 2027 में गद्दी से बाहर उतारकर उनका अहंकार दूर करेगी।
So politics has already broken out over the same. My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast. Adib, politics over Alankar Agnihotri's resignation. What are the reasons being given by him?
Well, Pratibha, Alankar Agnihotri has stated that he is resigning from his post just because Shankaracharya Swami Avivukhteshwaran was humiliated in the Prayagraj Magh Mela. He's also saying that the government has introduced the UGC draft bill, and he is saying that he's against both these bills. He's saying that in the current regime, the Brahmins, the current regime is trying to attack the Brahmin. These are the allegations that the Bareilly SGM, who is also the city magistrate of the Bareilly, Agnihotri, Alankar Agnihotri, he is leveling these allegations on the government. And now politics is taking peak from Samajwadi Party to Congress Party. Both the main opposition parties are trying to target the Yogi government. In fact, Samajwadi Party is saying that the Hindus are in danger in the current Yogi government.
Okay, interesting battle ahead of the elections that will be due in about 2 years from now. Thank you for joining us with those details, Adib. With that, a quick break. We'll be right back.